Hi everybody, welcome to Vanessa's daily live stream. How are you guys doing today? I am here for a crunchy mukbang, a crunchy snack mukbang. On the carnivore diet, we can eat skins, and I am here to eat some skins. Now, I don't know how many of these I'm gonna eat. Let me do a thumbnail. Let me do a thumbnail. I don't know how many skins I'm gonna eat, but I already said my grace. I was eating skins last night before I did my sleeping video. And somebody came in the chat and said, "Don't tell me those are skins." I was like, yeah. They were like, save me one. Yeah, I just got out the shower. I put coconut oil all over my body. But my hands are already dry. My hands feel like they are sunburnt from the dry, cold air. Y'all let me know in the comments what I can do for that. Because my hands are taking a licking. They are taking a beating. Y'all let me know in the comments bar below, complete sentences. How was your day today? I'm talking to y'all in the comments, okay? Just like y'all will be talking to me in a live stream, I want y'all to talk to me in these comments. How was your day today? I want to know. How was your day? What you did? I want to know what you had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Did you cook today? I want to know what was the weather like. I want to know what's going on in the world, because y'all know I don't be watching TV. If you don't tell me that we are in a war, I will not know until a bomb fall on the house, okay? I need y'all to keep me abreast. Let me know what's going on in the world. Talk to me in the comments like you would in a live stream. So what I've done today already, I fixed breakfast this morning. I went out to the van late, 1 p.m. But I did work on the van today. I came in the house, edited a few videos. Did my self-care. I did hand care. Even though my hands are dry, but I did exfoliate. Then I did my face. Then I took a shower. I put a load of clothes in the dryer. I mean the washer and the dryer. I just got through lotioning down my whole body with coconut oil. Did I say I ate already? I did a mukbang. By the way, I filmed all of this stuff. You should have seen the videos before this one. And now I'm eating. I'm doing a mukbang. But I also want to film a video for my other channel. And my eyes are getting heavy. That was one reason why I put my pajamas on after I got out the bathtub. I kind of figured after I ate I was going to get tired. I probably have to wake up in the morning and film the other video. I think with my morning routines, because they're kind of going to be the same every day. Wake up, fix the bed, get dressed. I probably do a motivational message and talk about something. Motivational and encouraging in that video. So let me know in the comments, like, what is a topic that you want me to talk about? To encourage you, motivate you, or just give you my own thoughts on. There's so much going on in the world, you guys. When I see people fussing, fighting, arguing over petty stuff, I don't get it. Like, some of us are too old for that, but obviously some people never get too old for mess. Some people never get too old for mess. That is going to be it for me. Y'all let me know if y'all enjoyed this mukbang. Man, my hands are so, it feels like they're burnt. I exfoliated them with grits and some coconut oil. Put some coconut oil on it afterwards. I can put some lotion on it right now. Maybe I need to put some cortisone on my hands. I think that's what I'm gonna do, if I can find it. So anywho, y'all, thank y'all for watching. Bye now.